Fantastic! You made the right choice in taking the time to check out this amazing giveaway put together by Map11 Website Builder. Now this is an extremely valuable tool for local businesses looking for a solution to building e-commerce storefronts to help generate revenue through online means, which is vital to them right now. That you're getting instant access to our website builder, learn a little bit about us and our mission with this free giveaway, as well as get in-depth training on using the tools that you'll get at no cost. And again, that includes a customizable website, hosting for that site, and of course the tool that brings it all together, the e-commerce storefront system. All this at no cost to you. Just enter your name and email farther down the page, and we'll send you immediate access to the website builder, the training and the tools to make all of this work for your business or business that you know which could use it. Thanks again. And we'll see you on the inside.